Hey Sharon and Sumit, long time. Hope you and your family are doing well.
Hey Vineet, yes, we're doing great, staying home and staying safe.
My father and I were tested positive last month, but all well now.
Oh, good to know that you're fine now. How was the experience?
Yes, with timely care, human isolation, and rest, we fully recovered in a couple of weeks. Although the experience of testing and home collection of samples was not a good one.
Why? What happened?
When I started developing COVID symptoms, I booked the test and called someone for the RT-PCR test at home. Even after giving my detailed address, they had called me multiple times to know the exact location of my house. They got late by an hour from the given time slot. It was a harrowing experience to say the least.
Well, Sumit, isn't that how it is normally? You have to allow for such issues on a day-to-day basis. Happens for most home deliveries or pickups, right?
Well, Vineet, if you come to think of it, not really. Simply put, location intelligence can ease this entire process with some pretty straightforward implementations. For instance, any health tech company can use Google Maps APIs to share optimized routes with their collection agents to help them plan multiple visits better. With ET updates using live traffic data on your fingertips, field agents can really save a lot of time and energy to complete their duties faster.
That makes a lot of sense. I can imagine that apart from reducing hassles for the end customer, this would also help them plan more efficiently, leading to more visits per day and reduced fuel costs, right?
Absolutely, this should be implemented by more health tech companies.
Well, I have an experience of my own too that I wanted to share. When I had to book my COVID test before a flight, it took me a lot of time to find a good diagnostic center near me. The websites were so clunky and I had to continuously look at a list, then go on Google Maps on my phone and see where the center was located. Isn't there some way these traditional healthcare institutions can revamp this user experience?
Of course, this is such a simple use case. Diagnostic centers can also use location intelligence to create a more seamless user experience.
Wow, tell us how.
With a few APIs implemented on their website or app, these companies can show the nearest diagnostic centers based on your current location or the location you're interested in going to. Once you select the nearest center, you can also see the ETA, allowing you to book the appointment for the test so that you don't end up wasting time and waiting. Apps can also push notifications about what time to leave and the expected time of arrival.
Sharon, do you think the same technique can also be used by the government for the vaccine centers as well?
Yes, of course.
Wow, that's interesting. I remember waiting for a long time at the nearby pharmacy to pick up some medicines. With the social distancing protocols, long lines, and the wait time, it truly has become a hassle. Not sure what can be done here.
Very simple, Vineet. Have you heard about the click and collect concept? Where customers search and buy products online but choose to collect the purchased goods from the store at a convenient time.
Yes, that's how I used to plan my e-commerce shopping when I was working at office. But how does that help here?
You see, instead of queuing up at a pharmacy, placing your order, waiting for the bill, paying for medicines, pharmacies can implement the click and collect feature, or what we also call buy online, purchase in store. So here is what a pharmacy would need to do. Allow users to shop and pay online, implement Google Maps APIs to get their location, suggest the nearest pharmacy that has relevant stock, and then show the user all the available pickup options with ETA and route. This way, when you reach the pharmacy at the given time, you just need to go straight to the counter and pick up your order. First class treatment, Anadi.
Thanks for explaining and calling me nerdy.
This was really helpful. I hope more and more organizations in the space of pharma, healthcare, and retail are able to implement such features on their application to make the life of the customer easier in this different situation.
Is that all for today, Vineet and Sumit?
I guess that's all for now. Stay tuned for the next episode.
Before we leave, an important message from all of us. Let's stay home and help the world become normal again. Let's be the heroes the world deserves and break the chain. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more episodes.